For many businesses running SAP, the most common order-to-cash process starts with a sales quotation. When the quote is accepted by a customer, it's converted to a sales order. Then, the service is provided, or the product is delivered, and invoices are generated. Let's create an invoice from an existing sales order in SAP. I'll enter transaction VF01 and press Enter. The first field we need to enter is transaction. I'll click the drop-down and choose F2 invoice. The F2 invoice type is usually used as an order-related invoice. The next field is service rendered. This can be used for when a service is completed or when a product is delivered. The function of this field is to determine when the system will calculate tax. I'll enter today. Next is the billing date field. This is the date the customer is billed and the document is sent to accounting. I'll enter today's date. Next is the pricing date field. The pricing date is used when different currencies are being used and a date needs to be entered to determine the exchange rate. Again, I'll use today's date for the pricing date. Our header is now complete, and we can move down to the documents to be processed area. This transaction is handy because we can create many invoices collectively or a single invoice. In our example, we only need to create one invoice. I'll enter sales order 98 in the document field and press enter. Because we've entered the sales order number, the system automatically populates the net value of this order, which is $960 US. The system also automatically populates the payer with the number and the name and address. In this case, it's Midwest Supply Company. Finally, we see the system has populated the line items from the sales order. We have consulting services executive for 8 hours for a net value of $960. Everything looks good. We're ready to create this invoice. I'll press the Save button. In the status bar, we see the green check mark and a message telling us the document starting with number 9 has been saved. This means that we have successfully created an invoice from our sales order.